Welcome to Examhood. My name is Moses. Let's look at this question on perimeter of a circle. Remember that perimeter of a circle, the question says if the circumference of a circle is 220 centimeters, find its diameter. Remember that in our last video we talked about perimeter of a circle. We are able to solve perimeter of a circle. So now perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi what? R. So in this problem, you have to find if the perimeter, you have given the perimeter to be 220, and we have to find the diameter. Before you get the diameter, you're going to find the what? The radius. You're going to find the radius because the radius of a 2 times radius will give you diameter. So 2 times what's pi? 2/7. We are looking for the radius. Are you there now? So 220 is equals to 22 times 2 will give you 44 r/7. So for you to get your, from here I'm going to cross multiply to be 7 times 220 is equals to 44 r. So for you to get your r, you say r is equals to, let's say 7 times 220 all over what? 44. Are you there now? And 220 divided 44 will give you, let's say 44 into say 1 time, 44 into 220 will give you 5 times. So you're going to have 7 times 5, which is what? Which is the radius should be 35 what? Centimeter. So that's the radius. So for you to get the diameter now, remember that diameter is 2 times radius. So diameter now will give you 2 times radius, which is 35, and that will give you 70 centimeters. So your radius, your diameter, according to this question, is a solution 70 centimeters. So this is your final answer. We will see in our next video. Bye for now.